If you build in Minecraft, you've probably run into this before. You save a copy of your build, make some changes, and save again. After a few saves, you decide to scrap the idea. And now you need to figure out which version was the good one. Gitmatica fixes that. In this video, I'll show you how Gitmatica works, how to inspect and restore versions, and how to experiment with new ideas without losing the original. Before testing a change, you will make a backup copy by saving it as a schematic. With Gitmatica, you can save that state directly into the project history. You can also add a title and description, so each version is easy to recognize later. That gives you a restore point without saving duplicate copies. For any saved version, the next thing you'll probably want to know is what changed after it. Gitmatica handles that too by loading the saved version as an overlay and highlighting any new changes. All unsaved changes are also listed in the change viewer, which makes it much easier to see what you've changed since the last save. But what if the changes don't work? With Gitmatica, you can easily discard them and go right back to the last saved version. And if you do like the changes, Gitmatica lets you branch from the main version and keep that work separate. That means your main build stays safe while you explore another direction. You can switch back to the main branch anytime and your main build stays untouched. If the new idea works, you can merge that branch back into main too. But even with titles and descriptions, you can still forget what actually changed in each version. You can load a saved version into the world, switch the overlay to its parent, and immediately see what that version changed. Or you can load a version as an overlay and compare it against your current workspace. Instead of guessing, you can inspect the differences directly. If you build with a friend, you've probably just passed your files around manually. With Gitmatica, you can share the project through a normal Git platform like GitHub. Your friend can clone the project and stay in sync with the history. They can also push their own updates, which you can then pull and see the changes in your own game. And that's Gitmatica. Instead of managing copies by hand, you can save build history, inspect changes, and try out new ideas without losing your build. This mod is still in a very early stage, and there will definitely be bugs or other issues, so please keep backups of any important schematics or worlds. This tool will also remain fully free and open source, so we truly value your feedback. Feel free to leave your suggestions down below or open an issue on a GitHub page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!